are practicing isolating the trigger, just all the fundamentals, really, like all the stuff. You know, we're not trying to speed or race or anything, but we're trying to do it fast enough to where we're not sitting there taking our time too much, you know, so let's keep practicing.
This will defend. I'm from the land of the free, from the home of the brave. Freedom don't come free. Don't tread on me. Don't tread on me. I said don't tread on me. Don't tread on me. I said don't tread on me. On me. Don't tread on me. I said don't tread on me. On me. Don't tread on me. If you tread on me.
Touch prep. At the moment that you see, you need to see deliver that shot exactly.
I think it was high.
Yep.
Good.
That's left.
Now
okay.
you have the next story.
High. It was on the left top.
Yep.
All right. Here we go.
Good job.
Okay.
So the element number 4 is the closest to the pure definition of bullseye follow through. You simply let the recoil happen. What you have part time, you can visualize. Shooter, are you ready? Stand by! Prep. Awesome. 168, 5 points.
Was that good? Was that under time or overtime?
It's under time, you have 2 seconds.
Oh, okay.
But you're over 1.5, so you have 5 points. Are you ready? Stand by! Prep. Good. 182, 1 point, so 6 points so far. 6. Arrive with the trigger prep. Shooters ready. Stand by. All right.
Oh, man.
164.
Through that one. I could.
1 point.
This hand's being lazy, I know. I can tell.
Stay focused. So far you have 7 points. Arrive with the trigger prep. Shooters ready. Stand by. Good. 195.
That one I hesitated on my draw.
1 point. 1 point. So 7, 8. Nice and easy. Shooters ready. Arrive with the trigger prep. Shooters ready. Stand by. Ah! The very last one. Out.
Okay. I can't get a read.
136. You have another chance.
That's
Just arrive with the trigger prep, let it lift. Are you ready? Stand by. Beautiful. 182, 3 points. Same thing. Are you ready? Stand by. Touch prep. Let it lift. 179, 1 point. 4 points so far. Let it lift. Are you ready? Stand by. Touch prep. Let it lift. Good. 153. We're 153. That's another 3 points. 6, 7 points. Same thing. Touch prep. Let it lift. Are you ready? Stand by. Touch prep. Let it lift. 155. Another 3 points. So 7 and 3, 10. Same thing. Touch prep. Are you ready? Stand by. Let it lift. Good.
Woo.
166.
I'm really
3
focusing.
points.
I focus more on my sights this time. I think.
That's
You know? Thank you.
The title is Disciple. And again, Disciple. Even a Wishmaster, you're in a top 20% the shooters in the world. So you're 1 step above.
So it was good.
Congratulations.
Good job.
Congratulations.
Yeah, thank you. You're a good teacher.
Good. It's very important to arrive on the arrive with the trigger. Send it. You can bag that shot sooner.
I think that was 5 and 5, right?
Yeah, the other side. You can break that second shot sooner. Prep. Go. Good.
Faster?
Check this. You arrive, right? You remember the drill? I'm looking there. You see there's no much pause there.
So faster.
Yeah, faster. But you need to arrive with the trigger prep. Otherwise you can slap it. Yes, beautiful.
Is that better?
Mm-hmm. now the official part. You deserve that certificate, right? Mr. Come over here. Congratulations. Great job.
Thank you.
Even with the injury,
Yeah.
you went through it. This is Brickell. Well deserved.
Thank you.
Congratulations. You did awesome. And you achieved what? 2 times will become a TPC disciple in our challenges. Congratulations.
Yeah.
Hey, you know how many experienced shooters they suffer and they have a problem to classify it?
It was
Right?
easy peasy.
Easy.
Awesome.
Yeah. Oh, look at that.
Which is
Okay, first off, congratulations.
Thank you very much.
How do you feel about the class?
I feel really good about it. I feel like I learned a whole lot of really good information. I feel like this class really pushed me to take my skills completely and totally to the next level. So it was a really good experience. What really surprised me about the class is that it was advanced, but it was also basic as well. And there was a lot of things like with the basics, I don't call them basics, but fundamentals, the building blocks that, you know, I discovered that I had learned incorrectly, or, you know, not really, I won't say incorrectly, but a lot of different things that I could do that would improve my shooting by changing those fundamentals.
So that's what surprised you?
That's what surprised, is I thought I had, you know, one of the things that I talk about is, you know, fundamentals, and I thought I had my fundamentals down, you know, but I found out that I really don't. You know, there's some things that I needed to change in order to increase my skill set.
And then, of course, how is Rossen as an instructor?
He's fantastic. He's probably my favorite instructor that I've ever had. It was really fun, really good way. I love the way that he taught. I love the analogies. I love the symbolism. I loved, you know, it really, you know, allowed you to wrap your head around it. The drills, he broke down the drills to where it was, everything was a stepping stone. It was really like, it was really good class. Loved it.
All right, so we just finished the class. That was 3 days, which is a total of 24 hours of training, right? Handgun mastery with Rossen. He was the instructor, and holy crap, I don't even know where to start. It was such a good class. This is the best my grip has ever been since I've ever been shooting. So we also went over things like towards the end of the class, transitioning from targets, just really prepping that trigger until you get out and then you crack that shot, which I've been taught before to prep that trigger, you know, like as you're drawing, prep that trigger, but not to the extent of how you did it. And you used a lot of analogies too, to explain things like, for example, you know, do like a push-up, but, you know, don't use your hands, use your fists. And that kind of explained how to stiffen your wrists when you're shooting, which made more sense than people just saying, oh, just tighten your wrist. And I'm like, what do you mean? Like, make your wrist tight. And when you can actually get down on the ground and feel it, and you know what it's supposed to feel like, then it made more sense, and it was a better analogy, you know what I mean?
also bracing with the dummy gun on the table as well, right? This is when you have
Exactly.
the actual grip, and then you need to stiffen that wrist in order to hold your body weight there. Always
Exactly.
the mental analogies and also the actual kinesthetic feeling. You need to know how it feels like so you can recreate it later on with the gun, right?
Exactly. Yeah, and you know, we're finishing on a great note. You can't take a class that gets more in detail. I don't think it's possible, you know?
And guess what? We have actually a sequel, Handgun Mastery 2, when we getting more in depth.
Really? Well, I definitely want to take that. That'd be awesome.
Absolutely.
And you're also a great instructor, because I've had a lot of people, you know, I'm like struggling with my grip. I'm like, hey, can you help me with my grip? Like instructors. And they're like, oh, just, you know, apply this much pressure. And they like squeeze my hand like that. I mean, that kind of helps somewhat, but it doesn't go into enough detail like you did specifically about using the nutcracker and then the angel wings to clamp down and push out and push with the wrist. And just those little tweaks right there made my grip a million times better, you know?
And it's everything. It's verbal, visual, kinesthetic experience. Also, all that mental analogies that will trigger directly your subconscious mind. And we talk how important the subconscious mind is to real performance. It's way more powerful than conscious minds, guys. That's the real drive for real excellence.
So I feel satisfied but still hungry for more training.
Excellent,
That'd
and
be
you
wonderful.
did great. You did great. Awesome job.
Thank you.
So the amount of improvement that we see from the very beginning to the very end, that aggressive multiple target engagement, it was incomparable with the very beginning of the day one number one. You achieved the disciple rank, which is quite rare. That these challenges, guys, they're tough. They're designed to be tough. Why? Because they need to narrow your focus and to make you hungry to progress more. They're designed to be hard. So you can find the entire schedule at tacticalperformancecenter.com. Go to training, that's the menu. You have a calendar, you have all the classes there. Don't forget our YouTube channel, again, Tactical Performance Center. Also our Instagram is the same, Facebook page, Tactical Performance Center. We have actually a Facebook group, it's Tactical Performance Center Shoot Better, where a lot of TPC students share their ideas, their achievements, how they shot the challenges, and we have a good forum over there that help the students to progress.